Julle een van my kollegas verjaar amper, so let's go get her a present. So sy word 30, maar julle, ons is nie regtig close nie, so I don't really know what to get her. Ek het die oulike idee gesien op TikTok and I thought, wow, let me give it a go. Because regtig julle, if I give another person a candle, my PTSD from load shedding is gonna kick in and it's gonna get lelik. So anyways, all you need is a jar. So as you can see, there's a few jars to choose from. I might decided to go for the gold one. And then you're gonna get sweets. Guys, side note, that was actually a glue stick and not Pringles. It can be any sweets of your choice. These are the ones that I went for. I even added in a little bit of pretzels and some popcorn. And then I just got her a card that says 30 because in case she forgets how old she's turning. Along with a gift bag and some tissue paper. So first up, you're going to take your jar and you're just going to give it a little wipe out because you don't know whose fingers was in there before yours. You're going to get your biggest buck that you have in your cupboard. Along with some handskoene if you have them. Then you're just going to open your sweeties and throw them all into your bowl. Also, you know, these marshmallows are actually for the Easter range. I thought they were very cute, so don't come for me. Once you've got all your sweeties in your bowl, give it a good mix up. And then you're just going to fill up your jar with your sweeties. Now I've also ordered a sticker which says her name and treats on it. This is actually just a little treat jar. Fingers crossed the sticker arrives before Friday because guys, I don't want to go to the theater without the present. I may get something else to add to this present, I'm not sure yet, but that's all for now. Okay?